Welcome to DecisionLender by TCI. The configurability of the DecisionLender 4 platform is built on the back of its four foundational pillars: the Object Model Editor, the Page Layout Designer, the Rules Engine, and the Application Lifecycle. Let's dive deeper into these four pillars. Example: your institution wants to create a promotional incentive program designed to increase volume during off-peak months. Pillar 1. Our Object Model Editor grants admin users the ability to create fields and add them into the user's database. There are standard objects built into DL4 already, which are generic data elements that the system recognizes, such as applicant name or zip code. And the user can create custom objects to develop a unique workflow. For our promotional incentive program, a custom object can be added directly from the Objects page. Step 1. Choose the field type, such as single select dropdown, formula, or integer. Step 2. Enter the details, such as the field label and field name, and customize your object according to your specifications. Step 3. Review and save. Now that we've created our custom field, we are ready to drop the object on a page utilizing Pillar 2. The Page Layout Designer empowers our clients to modify the look and feel of DL4 pages. All pages in DL4 are configurable. Users can develop a unique workflow by adding and/or deleting fields, custom objects, or rearranging the layout of a page. We will now place the custom object we created on our new application page. Simply open the object model and drag and drop the new custom field. Now that we've created a custom object and placed it on a page, we can use that object to trigger a rule if applicable. Pillar 3. The Rules Engine is the most robust on the market. Yes, part of our rules library is utilized to create your unique decision model, but other rules are also used to drive implementation of specific tasks, such as rate adjustments, collateral evaluations, when to require stipulations, or when to create documentation packages. The interface of the Rules Engine is user-friendly, intuitive, and flexible. Easily add new rules by clicking on the plus sign and entering the information. Or adjust old rules to remain nimble in the evolving lending market space. With over 30,000 pre-built rules and the ability to create your own, you have total control to do business your way. The Event Handler instructs DL4 when to run rules or events that you have created. Let's take our custom object and tell DL4 when to execute a rate adjustment rule based on that custom object. Pillar 4. The Application Lifecycle, also called the Lifecycle Event Handler, sets the cadence for the origination workflow and directs the sequence of the loan process within DL4. Typical legacy loan origination systems force lenders to follow a templated workflow, requiring you to conform your business around that LOS provider's concepts of lending. In DecisionLender 4, our Lifecycle Event Handler grants you total control over the next steps in your workflow, enabling you to do business your way. These Lifecycle Event Handlers can be used to customize your workflow according to your institution's needs. Multiple event handlers can be assigned to a specific action, or a single event handler can drive several different actions. In our example, we can assign an execution order number to all these events, including our rate adjustment, and they will automatically run in the order we choose. DecisionLender 4 truly gives you full control over your business, and the 4 pillars empower you to design a unique process. Thus, you have control over your business and loan products. Lend anytime and anywhere with DecisionLender 4.